Hello. Hi, and welcome. Welcome to this session. Please come in. L'chaim. Come in and welcome. Welcome, good to see you. Hello. Hello. We still have a couple of minutes before we start. People are still arriving. I hope you came prepared. I did. Now, if you're new, please write a couple of words in this chat, how you know about these sessions, anything you want to say. Yes, welcome, welcome, hello. Neil, I can see a different, yeah, it's Kharitonov, isn't it, behind you, a Russian, wonderful Russian singer. Right, Denise, welcome. I think it's your first session, isn't it? Welcome, welcome. So, right. Yes, Ruth, hello, good to hear from you, good to see you. Yeah, I can see Diana is drinking wine already. Starting early today, I'm going to take a sip and I'm going to give us one tiny warm-up exercise to start with. And brandy. I don't have any vodka today, but you know, do what we can. So the first thing we're going to do is to sit upright as you can. I don't know how much exercising you do these days. I try to go for a run every day, 5 kilometers, not so much, but got my new shoes today, so it should be all right. And breathe in, and we're going to start with just singing one note from our guts, like this. I'm unmuting you, let me hear you. Great, some high notes there, wonderful. We're going up to this one. Let's go. Going up, this one. And keep your tone. We're going to the highest note we need today. You got shy, didn't you? I heard some people singing really high. That's fun. So the tune today is very simple. After yesterday's stretch in the Yiddish song, I thought we could do something to relax and have fun with. And it's a drinking. I've learned that in the English language, a drinking song means something different to a Russian drinking song. So I won't say it's a drinking song. It's a song of the Drunken Student originally. The tune goes like this. Let me actually show you the tune straight away so you could follow. We are in a different key as usual. We are in E flat major. Okay, we may go half a tone up at some point today, but no higher. Here's the tune. I la 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 la. Then it repeats. La 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 la. That's our verse. Am I hearing someone? If you notice somebody unmuted, please start waving. Yeah, I'm not sure. I have to listen. Sometimes it disturbs the sound. Yeah, let's sing our verse one more time. It's just a phrase repeated twice. Let's go. I la 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 la. One more time. I la 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 la. And chorus. La 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 la. One more time, last two lines. La 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 la. How is that? Yeah?
So she does give guidance, but we'll talk later. Yeah, okay, bye.
Right. It's fun. It's easy. We will sing it one more time. Try to sing it by heart because then we will be looking at our text. Yeah. So it's not as Russian folky sounding as some of our other songs. It could be a German song. It could be a Western song, but it's a very popular Russian song, still sung everywhere, very known. Okay, let's go again all the way through. I la 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 la. So what happens in this song is a man, in one of the versions, he's been visiting the gypsies. I think it means he's been to some kind of entertainment, because in Russia 150 years ago, there were lots of gypsy or fake gypsy entertainers. So maybe it means that. But in this case, it's just a man walking home from wherever he was, and suddenly the street in front of him starts wobbling and he thinks the street is drunk. Let's look at our verse. First verse. In the first verse, he is drunk enough to sing the two lines twice. He's singing double and he's singing double. Singing double, that's a new, isn't it? Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе. Do your best, let's go. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе. Okay, second line. Улица странною кажется мне. One more time. Улица странною кажется мне. I hope you can cope. We have some native speakers, non-native speakers. Should be fun for you to pronounce everything so slowly. Once I was walking home to my own home. Улица is a street, странная is strange, кажется, seems, мне, to me. So the street seems strange to me. Let's try and put this to our music. We sing that text twice, yeah? Repeat it with the music. Let's go. 1, 2, and раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе. Улица странною кажется мне. One more time. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе. Улица странною кажется мне. Good. Улица is a street. Улица, good word to know. Now let's look at the chorus. I didn't say chorus in the text. It's clear because it's fat, bold characters. Левая, правая, где сторона? Let's go together. Левая, правая, где сторона? The left side, the right side, левая is left, правая is right, где is where, сторона is side. Where is which side? Right to the left. Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Go together. Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Улица, улица, street. Hey, you, street. Ты, you. Brat, my brother, pьяна, drunk. Hey, street, you're drunk, right? So he thinks that the street is drunk. Let me see who joined us. Yes, welcome, whoever I haven't seen yet, and jump in. Yes, hello, hello. Jump in. We are going to sing the last two lines in our music, which is левая, правая, our chorus. 1, 2. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Let's repeat it for fun. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Okay, I'm unmuting you. Good?
Yeah. It's lovely.
Lovely song. Lovely song.
It's fun. We can play with our speed here. We can get drunk as we sing it. Let's sing the first verse and chorus all the way through. Now, what I'll do, I can't show you the whole, let me see if I can show you the whole file. That's it. Can you see it okay? Can you see it okay on the screen? Alternatively, yeah? Okay. Alternatively, you can print up your own scores from my web page every time, okay? So that's our whole verse. Let's go. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. One more time. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. All right, I'm going to take a sip of my brandy. All good?
Yes, cheers.
Now, is this easy enough for you? I'd like to do a next verse. Can we do that? Right. So what we will do is, if you speak Russian and those Russian speakers, let's do that as an experiment. We'll read through the second verse. If you are challenged by Russian and if it's new to you, la 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 la, whatever you can do. Okay. Let's read through the whole verse together, not line by line, just read with me, okay? We'll just go through it quickly. 1, 2, let's go. И фонари так неясно горят, смирно на месте никак не стоят. Так и мелькают туда и сюда. Эх, да вы пьяные все, господа. Okay, и фонари and the lamppost lights on the street так неясно, so unclearly горят, shining. Смирно на месте, steadily, in one place, никак, no way, не стоят, they don't stand steadily in one place, yeah? So they wobble, так и мелькают туда-сюда, they мелькают, blink, yeah? Something like this, туда и сюда, there and back, kind of up and down, on and off. Эх is эх, doesn't mean anything, it's just an exclamation. Да вы, so you are пьяные, drunk, gentlemen, right? Let's try singing it. Now, I hope that most of you know the tune by heart by now. If not, la 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 with us, because we will be looking at our text. I'll make it a bit bigger. And we will sing the second verse all the way through, including chorus twice. So for chorus, you go up in your text for the fat letters. Right, let's go. И фонари так неясно горят, строки мелькают туда и сюда. Эх, да вы пьяные все, господа. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. One more time. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. How is that?
Yeah. Sound drunk.
That's great.
Yeah, it's fun. Yeah, you can make funny voices. I hope you looked at these videos. I put I put links to these 2 videos on my page. One is a great, soloist, bass, and he's not really a student. He's a man of his age, being really drunk, and there is a trio of basses singing it together. It's great. Do, and they go te, brat, piano. At the end, it's fun, and they play drunk. So before we carry on, I remembered something. Leslie, it was Leslie's birthday yesterday, and I completely forgot. I didn't see it, so I'd like to congratulate Leslie on her birthday. And I'm unmuting you. Say something. I can't unmute you.
Oh, I'm unmuted. Thank you. That's so kind. Yes, I brought a cupcake yesterday and blew out the candle just to share with all of you. So
Happy birthday, Leslie. Here is for you.
Oh, thank you. Cheers.
Leslie is a fantastic writer, amongst other things, and she's been, I think, to every single session here. So she's a regular member of our group here. So Leslie, why don't you give your blog or your website, whatever, who you are, so we know who you are in the chat, please.
Okay, I'll put it in the chat.
Yeah, great.
Yes.
So we carry on with our song, and we're going to our 3rd verse now. 3rd verse, I hope you don't mind. It gets, it's as funny. And it also uses a funny Russian word. And if there are any interpreters, translators here, maybe Justin, maybe you can help translating this word, rozhe. It's a funny word, I'll tell you. So we're looking at our 3rd verse. Let me read it. Read with me, as we did in the 2nd verse. 1, 2, let's go. Что... Oh, sorry. Ты что за роже? Let's stick to our Latin. Yeah, it just twisted some words. Что ты за рожа? Okay, let's go. Что ты за рожи там месяц кривишь? Глазки прищурил, так странно глядишь. Лишний, it should be лишний, sorry, it's not a K, it's an H, sorry, make this files very quickly. Лишний стаканчик хватил, брат, вина. Стыдно тебе, ведь уж ты старина. Apologies for twisting the words round in the Russian and in Cyrillic and Latin. It's just these files I just spent, put them together very quickly. So it needs to be лишний in the 3rd line, yeah, лишний. So, что там за рожи ты месяц кривишь? You, crescent moon, why are you making faces? But it's not just faces, it's рожи. It's kind of rude, it's рожа. It's kind of peasanty, it's rare. Yeah, what's the word for a face? Who can tell us in the chat, eh? Word for a face. Yeah, I'll look at the chat in a minute. Give us suggestions. Глазки прищурил. Your eyes are like this. You kind of made your eyes narrow, and you look at me in a funny way. So странно, strangely look at me. Лишний is extra. Стаканчик is a glass. Хватил, you took, you got. Brat is a brother. Vina of wine. So your brother, you had one too many glass of wine. Стыдно, shame, тебе, on you. Ведь ты уж старина, you're an old man now. You shouldn't be drinking like this, right? So let me see what's happening in our chat. If anyone has translated Roja for us. Roja. Anyone? Squint? I don't know what the squint is. Ponem, pisk. Yeah, Yiddish, okay. What's the English? Mug? What? I don't know. Grimace? Yeah, how do you pronounce it? Grimace? It's kind of Roja. It's kind of rough, yeah? Roja. So you can sing it in a rough way. Let's try and sing it. Now, la 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 is always your option if you don't want to follow the Russian, but we will try this. Что там? То есть, что ты? 1, 2, let's go. Что ты за рожи там месяц кривишь? Глазки прищурил, так странно глядишь. Лишний стаканчик хватил, брат, вина. Стыдно тебе, ведь уж ты старина. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. That's it. We've gone through the whole song. How are you feeling? All right. So we will sing through the whole song. We will start with la la la, just take off and do la la la. We will sing all the 3 verses. There are quite a few Russian speakers here in the group. I guess they'll be pleased. You can always do la la las. And maybe we will jump a semitone up towards the end, okay? Brandy, what can be better? Let's go. Sing out. Don't forget to be upright and sing out and use your voices. Right. And smile. I guess he's happy smiling, right? This is and drunk. He's happy drunk. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. I forgot to do la la, so let's do it now. Chorus. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Second verse. И фонари так неясно горят, смирно на месте никак не стоят, так и мелькают туда и сюда. Эх, да, вы пьяные все, господа. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, видишь, глазки прищурил, так странно глядишь. Лишний стаканчик хватил, брат, вина. Стыдно тебе, ведь уж ты старинна. Левая и правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. You sing. One more time. Let me unmute you.
Beautiful.
Polina.
Very cheerful.
I'm very drunk.
Who is very drunk? Who said that? Who said that? Who is very drunk? Oh, right. Now we sometimes with simpler songs have a minute or two to interact a bit. So if you have something to say that you absolutely have to share with the group, you can put your hand up like this, and if I notice it, I'll unmute you, or you'll mute yourself, and you can say something. You better say something important, okay? Let's try if that works. Sometimes we have a minute for that. Yeah, everyone is okay? Let me see, we have 49 people. We are keeping it around 50, that's fantastic. I wanted to say one more thing. Ilana, where are you? Ilana? Oh, yes, hello, Ilana. Or maybe you can tell us something about this, where from this person joined us yesterday. That's a great remark.
Well, yesterday, immediately after the session, I had a phone call from my friend in Auckland in New Zealand, and I told her about it, and she got up especially because for her it's 5 in the morning. And she joined in, and she saw me. I didn't look for her, so I didn't know she was there, but she was very excited, and I think she will spread the word in New Zealand.
Wonderful. So we have people in New Zealand now. I'm going to put New Zealand on the list. We had Australia, but it was before we changed time. For Australia, it became 3 a.m. You know, it was 4. She could just about wake up at 4, but 3, she says it's a bit too much. But Ilana, that's fantastic news. Now back to our song one more time. What do you think? Yeah? I think waking up at 5 to sing is amazing. Not that I could ever do this myself. Only when I have a gig and I have to fly somewhere. Right, here is our song all the way through, starting with a sip of whatever you have. We'll go back to our original key. La la la. раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе. Улица странною кажется мне. Раз возвращаюсь я к себе. Улица странною кажется мне. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Ой, улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. And second verse. И фонари так неясно горят, смирно на месте никак не стоят, так и мелькают туда и сюда. Эх, да вы пьяные все, господа. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Ой, улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. We'll go up a tone now. Going back to our first key now because we are drunk. Ой, third verse. Что ты за рожи там месяц кривишь? Глазки прищурил, так странно глядишь. Лишний стаканчик хватил, брат, вина. Стыдно тебе, ведь уж ты старина. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, улица, ты, брат, пьяна.
Wonderful.
Nice, beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, that's fun. I'm sorry, I just jump around on the melody sometimes, sing variations and stuff. You do the same, okay? no precision needed. Now, for our schedule, we have a Yiddish session tomorrow, and I'm thinking about bringing a song about drinking again. Just thought I'll make it easy, and it's a song, you know, because yesterday we learned a brand new song for all of us, I think, yeah, including myself. So tomorrow will be very, very easy. It will be a song that a lot of Yiddish singers know, and it's a drinking song, and the melody is a gypsy melody, and it's just 1 8-bar melody. There is quite a bit of text, and it's about getting drunk, going to the market. Now tell me who knows what song I mean. I think that'll be fun to do. After
Yared
that,
or
we have a
something,
concert.
Yared.
Huh?
Something about Yared and a horse or something.
Yes, Justin, right. But there is a name of that song. Yeah, that's it. Yeah,
I've forgotten the name.
Don't tell us. So for the concert, I told you yesterday that Cookie Siegelstein will be joining Josh Horowitz. It may not happen because she has lessons in the morning, and it'll be 10 for them in the morning. So it's all in negotiation, but please just go to my webpage every time for updates. Things happen, things update every kind of second minute, yeah? And then we will have a run of, you know, it's on the website, you know, Yiddish Russian concert, same thing again. There we go. Back to our one verse and la 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 to finish with. I'm going to show you this, yeah, so we can sing first verse together. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Раз возвращаюсь домой я к себе, улица странною кажется мне. Левая, правая, где сторона? Улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Левая, правая, где сторона? Ой, улица, ты, брат, пьяна. Ай, дай, дай, я, дай, 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 ай, дай, дай, ай, дай, 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 ай, дай, дай, я, дай, 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 ай, дай, 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 дай. You sing. Go on. Again. One more time. La la la, ya la la, da da da, da. Last time. Da da da, da da da.
Gorgeous.
Thank you very much. And I'll see you
Hey,
again.
lovely.
Well,